Hey, I'm Jasween. In this video demonstration, we will explain about three tools, MSFC, MISP, and Weka. Let's start with MSFC. MSFC is a Metasploit community. It is a web graphical user interface. It can be used to discover open port just like Nmap, and this tool is not included Kali Linux. We need to install it by giving some commands. Now Muhammad will explain further about this tool. Yeah, Muhammad.
Yes. Uh, in the here you're speaking with like Mohammed, and today I'm going to explain about the MSFC console part, which is linked with the Kali Linux. As basically, first we need to just update the system. Then again, we need to install the Metasploit framework, as you can see in this Word file. I have installed already, and when you enter MSFC console, then the console part will open like this. And after that, if you check the status of the network, like it's not connected initially. Just we need to build a connection, as well as we need to, if we enter the nmap, then you will get the database. If it is not connected, it will show the error. So for connecting that, we just need to enter this command, sudo /user /bin and the msfc db run. If you enter that, it will start database and it will start creating the database. After the database has been created, then you can check by db status, like it's connected to MSF and the connection type is post GRESQL. Once the connection has been established, then you can run the different commands in that. Like if you put help on it, then the command will be, the command and the description, whichever command you need, you can enter it and run the MSFC console part. And while coming to the scanning part, as you can see, we just need to enter the source scanner in this uh, console terminal. Then you will get the different kind of scanners available. If I have taken the nmap, first you need to initialize the IP address, which is my computer IP address, as here it's clearly mentioned like the IP v4 address. Then after that, once you attach the IP address here, then you need to enter the auxiliary scanner. Like I have taken this scanner from the above part. Use 584 auxiliary scanner. Once you enter in this part, you just need to set the host of as the IP address which you want to just need to scan the part. Like I'm just using my computer to be scanned. Then you just need to enter the show options. Then there will be a different option shows like the R host has been given this IP address and the port address, and the thread is only one. After that, you just need to hit the run button. Then if once you hit the run button, then the IP address has been scanned with the port address, and the scan has been completed successfully and the execution is done. So this is how the MSFC console part will work in the Kali Linux, and other part will be explained by Puneet, other tools and all. Thank you.
Hi, this is Puneet. Our second tool is MISP. MISP is malware information sharing platform and threat sharing. MISP is an open source software solution for collecting, storing, distributing, and sharing cybersecurity incidents and malwares. For more powerful vulnerability analysis, the project develops resources and documents through exchanging risk indicators. There are many organizations that use MISP. So here we will show that how we can install MISP. So I will hand over it to Prabjot. He will explain further about that how we can install MISP. Thank you.
All right, MISP is malware information sharing platform. So we need to go to the MISP website to download the MISP, as shown in the screen. Like we need to go to the following location link under the virtual images. Like it says, this link is for the VMware and the virtual box. So just need to click on this link. So it will direct us to a other web page. So here we need to download this file, the MISP. and that is an OVA file. So after downloading this file, we need to import this file to VirtualBox or VMware. So here I'm using the VirtualBox. So let me show you how to import this file. So we need to go to File, Import Application, and locate the file that you have downloaded. Like I have already downloaded it. That is in my downloaded folder. So here, just click on it. Click here, open, click on next. Then like if you want to change the some specifications here, not specifications, some like data here, then you can change it from setting after installing it. So simply just click on import to import this file, just agree it, and like it will start importing. Like it will take few seconds. Let me show you the screenshots that I took earlier. Just wait for it. Yeah, here. So like after importing the file and agreeing the license, will start importing. Then what we have to do is we need to select the virtual machine and just click on the start button. Right, then a shell window will open. So here you can see that a lot of IP addresses are given, like these are for MISP module, for the Viber web and all that. And we are also given the default username and password. So the password is with capital P, password 1234, and the username is miss. So that we will use to log in to our shell. So after logging into shell, what we have to do is we need to open a link. So if you can see, yeah, over here, like we have to open this link and we have to log in with the credentials given in the shell. So the credentials for the web page are admin@admin.test, and the password is admin. Let's check our virtual machine. How's it going? Yeah, it's done. Let's click on start. It may take some time. All right, it's done. All right. So we have to log in with the credentials provided in the shell that I have already mentioned, that are MISP, and the password is with capital P. It's MISP, and the password capital P A S S W O R D 1234. Here, all done. Like what we have to do now is we need to move to the Chrome or whatever browser you would like to use. So here, open a new window and open the link. Here, all right, ready to go. It's asking for the username and password. It is also, it's yeah, already mentioned in the shell. So we are going to use it here, admin@admin.test, and the password is admin. Click login. So it will ask for a new password. So generate a new password here. Confirm the password. Yeah, here, click on submit. So you will get an interface like this. Just click on home. Yep. Yeah, so that's the installation of the maze. And if you want to add events, like you can add it from here. So let me just finish it quickly because we have one more tool to present. So like if you want to check the jobs, you can check it from here and all that from here. And if you want to check the data that is already given and that you can use to synchronize with your firewall, that will work as fire intrusion systems. So you can just select it from here and move further. So I guess that's all for the MISP tool. So like I will hand over to Yubin. So she will, tell about the another tool, that is Weka tool. All right, thank you.
Okay, so now I will present to show you how to use the Weka, this application. I already opened, can you see the screen? So I already opened the application and opened the file. So you can see here, they got like different classes. So we just choose the type. So here the class we choose type as well. So we can see like they have like 49 different ones. So if you want to see more about the information, and we also can click the edit. So you can change the data here, and here's all the pre-process. We can go to the classify. So first we choose the tree. So we choose the J48. And first one, we choose the cross validation to start. Oh no, we need to choose the type as well, then to start. So here we can come out the result. So the result is the accuracy, so it's around 61%. And if we go to the percentage, this one we first set the 66% and we choose start, and we can see the accuracy is like around 65%. And if we change the percentage to 40%, so the result we can see the accuracy is decreased. And if we change to the 80 percentage, and you can see the accuracy is like higher, so it's more good for the final result. And also the confusion mixture, we can see they have, because for the type we have 7 different type. It will show you if the type A is like normal, and here's all the results. So even we can click the red to see the to um to see the model. Just um so here we can see the tree. We can see the tree. Okay, so here's the tree field, and later the Maha will give you more detail about the visualize. So I will give the control to him. Okay.
Yes. From now on, like you've been said about the pre-process and the classify of this, and if you want, like you can go through the clusters as well. Like if you want to say simple K map means like it's a normal one. You just need to enter that, and you will get the cluster value as well. So if you want to find out the cluster value in this weka, you can just click on cluster, and you need to choose the simple K means. And after that, if you want to go through the attributes, you can see the attributes, what is present uh, in this data. And at last, if you go to the visualization, there will be a matrix called, description with verses with number, then the name, type, and the description. Like if you click on it, and you will see the different values occurring, like the source. The blue one is a source, and the red one is another source, and the destination, like the different points you might see if you just uh, proceed further. So like this, you can show, you can get the map of each and everything, what the data is of, and the attributes and the cluster value as well. So this is the end of the presentation, and thanks.